kids, let's learn sentences with verbs, that is, action words. The big dog can run fast. Tell me, which is the action word here? Running. You're right. The dog is running. So that is an action. So run is a verb, action word. Let's repeat the sentence again. The big dog can run fast. Again. The big dog can run fast. Your turn to read. Very good. Let's go to the next sentence. I like to jump up and down. Which is the action word here? Jump. Jumping is an action. So jump is the verb. That is action word. Let's read this sentence again. I like to jump up and down. Again. I like to jump up and down. Your turn. Very good. The little green frog can hop. Which is the action here? Hopping. The frog can hop. So hop is a verb, action word. Let's read the sentence again. The little green frog can hop. Again. The little green frog can hop. Your turn. Very good. We swim in the cool pool. Which is the action word here? Swim. Correct. The boy is swimming. Swimming is an action. So what is the verb? Swim. Swim is a verb, action word. Let's read this sentence again. We swim in the cool pool. Again. We swim in the cool pool. Your turn. Very good. I can read my favorite book. Which is the action here? Reading. The boy is reading the book. Read is an action. So read is a verb, action word. Let's read the sentence again. I can read my favorite book. Again. I can read my favorite book. Your turn. Very good. It's time to find out more action words, that is verbs. Run. Action word. Can. Not an action word. Jump. Is jump an action? Yes, so jump is an action word, that is a verb. Read. Is read an action? Yes. After. After is not an action, so this is not a verb. Hop. Is hop an action? Yes, Hop is a verb, action word. You. Is you an action? No. So you is not a verb. Swim. Is swim an action? Yes, it is. So swim is a verb, action word. With. Is with an action? No, it's not a verb. Very good. You did very, very good. You did amazing today. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.